Assalamualaikum Bilal.
Waalaikumsalam.
Hi Bilal, how is your day going? Is it good?
Yeah, it's going well. I was just checking my Instagram. What about you?
Oh, Instagram, I'm doing great. I was watching some YouTube videos about technology and programming and each other about that.
That's cool. Do you use social media every day?
Yes, I do. I use YouTube, Instagram, WhatsApp, and TikTok, and I usually do things for my easier life and etc. And how about you, Bilal?
I mostly use YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok just for football highlight and other educational things, and maybe some funny clips.
Oh yeah, social media is really interesting, is it?
Yes, it helps us with to connect it with friends and learn a new things.
I agree. I often watch so many tutorials, so many uh, like that English lesson or like that to help my my life easier and to get me to the next level.
Yeah, that's good ways to use social media. I also learn new things, especially about sport and school subjects. How about you? Are the social media is perfect things?
But social media isn't always perfect. There is a problem or anything. But what do you think is the biggest problem?
I think there is a one problem, big problem, very big problem. That's about we spend more time in social media instead we spend time for our families or anything useful.
That's true. Another problem is a fake news. We should always check if the news is is true or not because a fake news can affect people to understand the news or not. It can affect people.
Yeah, exactly. Cyberbullying is the serious issue. So people we need to be more respectful in their comment.
I completely agree. We should always think before we post or comment because our finger and our words can affect other people to can cause an action to himself or their family.
Yes, of course. And by the way, besides of the social media, online life has also changed education.
Uh, yes, we can join an online class. We can search information and learn from videos anytime and anywhere. I can, for example, I have uh, a lesson in Mandarin language and Arabic language, and like that. And I also take a lesson about IT, and I also buy an ebook uh, from Instagram. I have my friend say that that is a good book, and I love that book. It's not that crazy, but I like it.
Wow, that's cool. I sometimes use AI to help me understand a difficult lesson, but but I still try to solve the problem my first. Just sometimes I learn mathematics and I don't know how to problem the the maybe the question. So I ask AI what we need to do to solve the problems. I don't need to maybe ask the answer. I just need the how to we solve the problem.
Oh yeah, that's a good habit, Bilal. Technology should help us to become smarter, but not make us lazy. We can use AI, but we cannot make the AI my yourself. We must think ourselves. We must understand what the AI is saying. But because if you don't know what the AI is saying, you will go to the laziness and you will not understand what the AI is tell you.
I agree that Bintang and exactly we also need a balance to our online and offline lives.
Right? We should spend our time with our family, exercise, read a book, and enjoy our activities outside. We can also look, we can also play in the river, and etc.
So, what advice would you give to students about social media?
I would say use social media wisely. Protect your privacy. Don't believe everything you see online. And be always kind to each other and stay humble.
Good advice. I will also tell everyone to use internet and learning to avoid wasting too much time.
I totally agree. If you use technology responsibly, it can make our life better and ever.
Thanks for the conversation, Bintang. This was really interesting.
You're welcome, Bilal. See you at school tomorrow.
Yes, see you. Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam.